I really freaking have to sneeze. Alright, I'm gonna... I'm putting on some mascara. I'm using the Volume Million Lashes by L'Oreal. Oh my god. I'm gonna put that on my bottom lashes.
Laws in Alberta now is you can't be in anyone else's house.
Oh my god.
Ooh, excuse me. This is not off to, we're off to a great start. Curse you allergies.
I sneeze on my titties.
Whoa! Just do. Okay. I have a Yo!
What's your confession?
It was a
You
prank.
didn't do that to prank Oreo. You knew you were gonna drink. You just with me. You
Yep.
idiot.
Oh my god!
Can't stop!
Why'd you do that? Oh.
I need a tissue. I swear to God,
I was
if you would
gonna
have
do
hit me. Stop! Stop it, you idiot!
Jeez, you're a wreck.
You got easy ones,
God.
you idiot.
Oh. Oh god! Oh my god! Oh. Alrighty, well.
I'm gonna get sick.